What's going on, everyone? It's Kath from Kath_official_Insta, and I'm back with another review for you. Like I said, I'm back, and there's going to be a lot of delayed reviews. Like, there's a lot of shoes I've got in the last few months, and I haven't posted any of them. Today, we're going to be looking at boom, 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 message, boom, boom. The Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year, or ROTY for short, as some people are calling it. This shoe is dope. This shoe is crazy. The materials are insane. I got these on release day, which was a couple of weeks ago. I think it was the 17th of November, and they're insane. I've really taken a shine to Jordan 1s this year. I don't know what it is. There's just something about Jordan 1s this year. They're all crazy. You got the Unions, the Nigel Sylvesters, the Bread Toes, Game Royals, Shadows Retro this year, Court Purple, Pine Green. This year has been an insane year for ones, and if you didn't like Jordan 1s before this year, I guarantee if you don't like them by the end of the year, you probably still would have bought a pair over the last 11 months. Well, it's coming up to 12 months now. But anyway, let's get into the close-ups and a quick description of the shoe. So starting at the top of the shoe, you've got a white tongue with the Nike Air logo in red and stitched in with black leather. You've got some lovely red laces, or you can choose to put in black. At the bottom of the shoe, it's just plain black. It's all black with the Nike logo on the bottom. On the outsole, again, it's just rubber with the Air technology on the inside. You've got a black swoosh with a Harvest Sale, I believe, Harvest Sale color blocking on the toe, on the side panels, and on the back. At the back of the shoe, on the heel counter, again, you've got that Harvest Sale colorway that's kind of like a new buckwheat. It's made of this lovely suede material. You got the Wings Jordan logo on the outside of the shoe, on the little flaps here, and on the inside of the flaps, you've got a lovely detail. You've got a message from, well, we'll get into that as well. You got a message on both sides, so yeah, we're gonna get into that. What I wanted to say is also the leather material on this shoe is incredible. Alongside the suede, you've got this tumbled leather on both sides of the lateral and medial, and on the toe box. It looks nicer than it feels, I've got to be honest, on the Rookie of the Years. It's not as soft as what's on the Bread Toes. It's quite hard, but looks-wise, it's very nice. It's a very nice sort of tumbled leather effect. But yeah, the story of the shoe, well, it's a bit rubbish, if I'm honest. It's a bit of a stretch. It's a bit of a reach, the story of the shoe and the reason they made this shoe. But I'm not upset that they did it anyway, because I think this shoe is incredible. And the red laces really gives it a Mars Yard kind of feel. But you can put in both laces. You can put one shoe black laces, one shoe red. Seen people do that. I've seen people change up the laces and look incredible, have both black and red in. But I wanted to say the story about the shoe, because I'm waffling. Essentially, it's a tribute to the shirt that I'm not looking at the camera. The story of the shoe is the color blocking this Harvest Sale colorway resembles, or is a tribute to the shirt that Michael Jordan was wearing when he gave his acceptance speech for his Rookie of the Year award in April, 30th of April 1985. And he was wearing a shirt that was this very color, the same Sale Harvest colorway. Yeah, it's a bit of a stretch, it's a bit of a reach, and there's a bit of an excuse to make a shoe, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad at this shoe because it's incredible. Now, what I wanted to mention was the features on the shoe, which was on the inside of the flaps by the heel counter, or by the ankle, sorry, not the heel counter. You've got some, quotes from his Rookie of the Year award speech. On the left side, it says, "This award is nice, but I just feel it's important for each individual to go out and contribute to his team." And on the inside, the right side, you've got the statistics. So this was Rookie of the Year 1984 to 1985. In this season, he scored 2,313 points, 28.2 points per game. Nuts. MJ is the GOAT. Well, was the GOAT, because LeBron James is coming for that, boy. Gonna end up being a legend. But anyway, let's get some on-foot shots so you can see what they look like when they're on. How did I make that noise? No, sorry. Let's start again. I don't actually know why I made that noise. So let's get into the on-foot shots, yeah? Okay, and that's it for this review of the Rookie of the Year, Air Jordan 1. And in my honest opinion, Jordan 1 of the Year is going to be a very, very, very difficult thing to decide. Me personally, I think the Union LA just picks the Nigel Sylvester and leads to the best Jordan 1 of the year. The UNC Off-White and the European exclusive white on white Off-White Air Jordan 1. They're not better than the Chicago. They're not better than the Chicago Off-White Jordan 1. Do I think the Off-White Jordan 1 Chicago is better than the Union LA though? Ooh. I'm going to leave that for you lot to decide. Let me know in the comments. Share, rate, subscribe if you like the video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at CAF_official_Insta. I'm back.